Workflow at a standstill because of the Avformat-58.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. Before we start the Avformat-58 configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This DLL file is an FFmpeg library responsible for multiplexing and demultiplexing media streams. It allows apps to read and write various file containers like MKV, MP4, and AVI for playback or editing. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the FFmpeg environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of FFmpeg to allow the installer to restore the Avformat-58.dll automatically. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Avformat-58. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please use caution. Replacing the Avformat-58.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If you're addressing the Avformat-58 inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex the Avformat-58 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.